Hello everyone, welcome to St. Lawrence Science Digital Library. I am Ranjita. Earth is a unique planet in space, orbiting the Sun in the vast universe where it supports life with its perfect balance of air, water and temperature. Children, today let us explore more about the Earth in space. In this chapter, let us learn more about eclipse. Children, an eclipse is an astronomical event that occurs when one celestial body moves into the shadow of another, temporarily blocking the light. Now, what do you mean by celestial? Celestial means it is something that refers to anything that is present outside the earth or beyond the earth. Okay, so now eclipses doesn't happen every month because the orbits of the earth and moon are slightly tilted. They only occur when the sun, earth and the moon line up perfectly. So we can define eclipse as an eclipse occurs when one heavy body such as moon or planet moves into the shadow of another heavenly body. So when the sun, earth or moon lines up perfectly, then the eclipse occurs. Clear, children? There are two main types of eclipses. First one is solar eclipse. Solar eclipse. Children, this occurs when the moon passes between the earth and the sun, blocking some or all of the sun's light. You can see in the picture, the moon is in between the sun and the earth. So what happens? From earth, it looks like the sun is partially or fully covered by the moon. Solar eclipses can be total, partial or annular depending on how much of the sun is covered. Now in the picture, children, you can see there are the two regions, umbra and penumbra. So what is this umbra and penumbra? Umbra is the darkest part of the shadow where the light source is completely blocked. Okay, and penumbra is the lighter part of the shadow where the light source is only partially blocked. So these are the two regions where the eclipse occurred. So now it depends on how much of the sun's shadow is been covered, the eclipse is seen. So we can define a solar eclipse happens when the moon gets in the way of the sun's light and casts a shadow on earth. The second one is the lunar eclipse. Children, lunar eclipse, this happens when the earth moves in between the sun and the moon, casting its shadow on the moon. During a lunar eclipse, the earth's shadow falls on the moon and it can turn a reddish color due to the earth's atmosphere. Even in lunar eclipse, it can be total, partial or penumbral depending on how much of the earth's shadow covers the moon. So look at the picture, children. Here also we have umbra and penumbra, the two regions where the shadow falls. So as I had explained in the previous slide, umbra is the darkest part of the shadow where the light source is completely blocked, and penumbra is the lighter part of the shadow where the light source is only partially blocked. Is it clear? So we can define a lunar eclipse is caused by Earth blocking sunlight from reaching the moon and creating a shadow across the lunar surface. Is it clear, children? I hope from this video you have understood what is eclipse and what are the two types of eclipse, solar and lunar eclipse. Let us look forward for more videos in upcoming session. Thank you.